To set touch and hold spacebar function to access voice input on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap swipe touch and feedback. Tap touch and hold spacebar and then select voice input. As note, this option is available if you set voice input on your keyboard to Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input. To use this feature, open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are messaging someone. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap and hold the spacebar to access your current voice input. Now you can use your voice to type your message. Tap the mic icon to pause voice input from listening. Given to the function, you can use this feature as an alternative way to access voice input while typing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.